We have different seasons. At one point, we'll have a bunch of kids that may struggle with self-harm. We have kids that typically exhibit elopement behaviors, physically aggressive behaviors. We have some kids who may be on the autism spectrum. It varies.
I think it's greatly increased it. You have to build that rapport with the child. You can't just take their points and move on. You have to, if it's a behavior that needs to be addressed, you have that time to address it. I think a lot of the courtyards have planned time on the schedules where they focus on having plan B conversations and just spending that time talking with the child.
I think that the rapport is greater on the courtyard. You can just see it. You can see the change in the TCs, and you can see the way that the kids respond to the TCs. It's a whole lot of conversation going on, and I think that the TCs can appreciate that because they don't like for the kids to be angry with them or to have difficulties with the youth throughout the day because they felt like it's their job to fill them the urn because they did this wrong, they moved wrong, so I had to fill them the urn, and now they're angry at me about it because I did my job. Now they feel like they're able to efficiently do their job because if they can address the issue without doing something they feel like is negative or is associated with negativity, the youth respond differently, and we're able to talk to these kids and come up with a solution to whatever the problem or issue may be. I'm happy we're using CPS. I mean, at first, I think everybody was skeptical about it. Like I said, the culture of the building was points, and if the kids did something, you felt them earn, and then you moved on to the next thing. I think that now we're able to just help the kids work their treatment because that's what we're here to do. We're able to keep the kids safe. We're managing them, and it's efficient. It doesn't have to be a punitive thing. We're able to build relationships with the kids. The kids are more willing and open to talk to us, and you can use the CPS with the adults too. So it works. It comes in handy because there are several times where I've had to have collaborative problem conversations with my staff to figure out, what problems they were encountering or why they were having certain issues with kids. And so I think just all around, it's just beneficial to the culture of YV if we're truly trying to make progress and move forward with helping these kids.